Okay.
Now people ask me, why Rama can't build his own temple if he is so powerful? I tell them, he revived the whole dharma which we are living. So we should be grateful for him. Out of our gratitude, we should build a temple. Not that he wanted it. And if he has to do all that also means, then why you guys are alive? Don't follow all the great gifts given by him. There are tons of gifts. First of all, the stable family of Hindus is the gift from Rama. Do you know the benefits of stable family? Go to every US university and Europe university. Toppers are Indian kids because family is stable. Parents are, they are growing up with both parents. The divorce rate in US, the regular divorce rate, 47% of marriages don't see 5 years. That's the regular, normal. Indians, only 12% of divorce throughout the life. NRI Indians. You understand? Stable family is the reason for Indian kids topping in their education. Every fellow who is topper in American and Europe universities, the Indian fellows, are indebted to build Rama temple. Having the benefit of the great dharma he revived, and you are not paying back to him. If you are an NRI, only then you will understand the utility value of a Hindu identity. The whole US, 66% of Americans can't live their day without one psychiatric pill. Do you know the Indians taking any psychiatric pill or any psychiatric disorders? Less than 6%. The whole country's tax, 10% is paid by 1% of the population. You know, richest ethnic community, not Jews. 3 years before we crashed, from 2013, Indians are the richest ethnic community in US. 10% of the country tax is paid by 1% of the population, less than 1% of the population. And only ethnic community which does not have gangsters. If there is an Indian settlement, that whole area is considered to be crime free and people love to stay there. Lowest sued business in US, lowest sued business is Patel's Hotels and Motels. No, Google, all this what I am talking is statistics, fact. They are so hospitable. Their hospitality is so highly integrated. Lowest sued business in whole US is, and lowest sued doctors are Telugu doctors. Because the care is inculcated in their system. Ethics is inculcated in their system. It is Venkateshwara made the mental setup he is carrying and making money. He has to pay. If any fellow excels in US universities, studies well, makes his life, he is responsible to build Rama's temple, who created the tradition of Egapatni Vradatva, stable family, which he is enjoying even now. The results of which he is enjoying even now. Nobody connected all these dots and told the world, I am here, I'll tell them. Any fellow who enjoys the fruits of the stable family is bound to Rama. Is bound to Rama. It's Rama responsible for inculcating that value in our lifestyle, in our thinking system, in our thought current. Unfortunately, none of the gurus have guts to analyze the statistics and connect it to the source. Tell the world. I am going to tell. I am going to tell. Understand? It is Lagulishwara, responsible for the hospitality of Gujaratis, cunningly justify. What is there? Rama is everywhere. We don't understand what he contributed to our lifestyle by keeping the memorial up and alive. What kind of impact we will create on next generation. We have no vision. Spineless fellows. As I said on the satsang, Shivaji is the only man in Hindu history. Every NRI kid who is successful in their college, who enjoys the benefit of both father, mother together, a stable family, is bound to come and put at least one stone of Ayodhya Ram temple. And if you are constantly seeing your friends, families are splitting and they are going through a divorce and the kid is going through the stress, is suffering, and you don't have that problem, you are enjoying the stability in your home, you are bound cosmically to come and put one stone on Rama temple. This has to be told. I will tell. I am a loudmouth. I'll tell. I will tell all the NRI kids. They need to be told. If you are enjoying stable family and all the benefits of stable family, you are bound to come and put one stone at least in building Rama temple. So that your next generation will have the benefit. Same benefit. See, it is not Rama wants it. We need to keep that dharma alive by building a large monument. We need to keep that concept alive. Rama stands for a stable family. Ekapatni Vratatva. And all the values he stood. So we are holding that ideals up, alive, high by keeping those monuments.